besties, welcome to my channel. My name is Solmaz, and in this video I'm going to teach you this eye makeup look. This makeup tutorial is super easy. I will show you step by step the brushes I use for applying eyeshadow. You can use this makeup for your daily routine or for special occasions, and it's perfect for the fall season. And I'm sure you will enjoy this makeup style, so let's get started. These are the brushes we are going to use, and using some of them is optional. Well, for the first step we are going to use an eyeliner brush. I use black eyeshadow, which is commonly found in most palettes. Just grab your eyeliner brush and dip it in the black eyeshadow. Start drawing your winged eyeliner from the outer corner of your eye, extending it towards the middle of your eyelid. If you wet your brush a bit, it will be super easy to apply the eyeliner. We can also use some tapes to make it even easier. Besides, contouring the eyeliner to the inner corner of the eye is optional, but personally I prefer extending it to the middle of my eyelid. I make the eyeshadow darker. In fact, drawing eyeliner with this brush is super easy. You just need to be careful and practice a lot. Next step is using a classic eyeliner brush, which will dip it into the black eyeshadow again. I don't apply the brush to the outer part of my eyeline. Instead, I run the brush along the eyeliner line. I want to create a smoky effect, and that's why I use this brush. As you know, blending black eyeshadow can be challenging, especially if you apply too much of it. So first, I use this brush to make my eyeshadow a bit smoky. Next step, I'm going to use the fluffy crease brush. You can use a blender brush if you find it more comfortable. Alright, using a fluffy brush, we further blend the eyeshadow that we previously made smoky. The goal is to have a seamless blend without any harsh lines. If you think you can achieve a good smoky effect with a larger and fluffier brush, then there is no need to use two different brushes. I opted for using two brushes to make the process easier and save time. Make sure to blend the eyeshadow well using sweeping motions to achieve a nicely blended look. If you feel that your winged eyeliner has become less intense due to using a blender brush, you can switch to your eyeliner brush and make the wing part more vibrant. Additionally, if you'd like, you can also make the line on your eyelid bolder. I did the same process for my other eye as well. I'm using a beautiful orange eyeshadow with a fall-inspired color that's perfect for this eye makeup look. I'm going to use a crease brush. As you know, this brush is suitable for applying eyeshadow to the crease area. Dip your brush into the orange eyeshadow and don't forget to tap off any excess. Gently apply to the crease area to gradually darken it. Additionally, you can use the remaining eyeshadow on your brush to apply a bit to the empty space at the inner corner of your eyelid. We will focus on applying the eyeshadow to the inner corner of the eyelid, so I use the classic eyeliner brush again. Certainly, I'm opting for a lovely light brown shade that adds a beautiful touch to the overall look. I absolutely love this color combination. It captures the essence of autumn perfectly and looks fantastic. I gently apply the eyeshadow to the inner corner of my eyelid and blend it out for a seamless transition. And don't forget to apply the eyeshadow along your lower lash line as well. I use the black eyeshadow with the eyeliner brush. Start from the outer corner of my eye and continue towards the center. Use a fluffy brush and apply the orange shade we used along my entire lower lash line as well. And the final step of my eye makeup is using a flat, small brush. Adding a golden glitter eyeshadow makes the makeup look more beautiful and sparkly. It enhances the eyes and catches the light for a stunning effect. The golden color suits different eye colors and adds warmth and radiance, whether for a special occasion or everyday makeup. Using a golden glitter eyeshadow can make your makeup pop and leave a lasting impression. Apply golden glitter in the center of my eyelid. You can even use your finger instead of a brush to apply it. Using the same brush and apply golden glitter along my lower lash line as well. To finish my makeup, I use mascara, but if you prefer, you can use false eyelashes to add more volume and length to your lashes. And that's the final eye makeup look. Thank you for joining me in this video. This makeup is super easy and you can complete this beautiful look in just 10 minutes. If you've watched the video so far, I recommend watching the video above where I give a step-by-step tutorial on how to apply eyeshadow. If you believe this video could be helpful to your friends, please share it with them. To show your support, please like the video and leave your comments below. I upload makeup tutorials every week, so if you're interested in makeup, you can subscribe to my channel to ensure don't miss any upcoming videos. Thank you for being with me. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.